Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to send video messages on Telegram Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Go to the conversation where you want to send a video message. Tap on the voice message button to switch it to video mode. Now tap and hold the camera icon to record a video message. You can swipe up to lock the recording, or you can just tap and hold to record. You can also slide to the left to cancel. Once you are done recording, just release the button to send the video to that person. That's it. The video has been sent. If you want to send video message using the back camera, again tap and hold the camera icon. And tap the flip icon from the left. Record the video, and release the finger to send the video. You can preview the video by tapping on it. So in this way, you can send video messages on Telegram Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.